How you doing? You guys got a plug toilet?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm here to take care of that for you.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. I'm just gonna close the door, okay? Light works? Yeah, there you go. All right. I'm just gonna close the door. All right. Lots of calcium. All that brown is calcium buildup. They're gonna have to change this toilet. That's just way too much calcium buildup in there. I'm gonna let the management know. Look, I'm not even able to get the snake through there. Okay, we'll be back. I gotta talk to the management, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. Thiva! Is that Thiva?
Yeah.
Thiva! You gotta replace that toilet, man.
What?
I can't even get my snake through there. 611?
Yeah, yeah.
I can't even get the snake through it.
Yeah.
That toilet's gotta be replaced.
So you guys had to call them or we had to tell
You guys gotta call them. I call them, it's gonna do no good because I gotta talk to you guys, right?
I told already, Sindhu.
Yeah, that's...
I already told Sindhu.
Oh yeah?
Your calcium built up.
Oh yeah, it's crazy.
But he's using the medication, that's why.
Oh yeah? Oh, I didn't know that. All right, thanks a lot, eh? All right, guys, this has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Taragna.